In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make circle webcam in OBS Studio. We'll start by creating a simple mask image. Open a design tool like Canva, Pixlr, or any editor you like, and make a new square canvas, either 500 by 500 pixels or 1080 by 1080. A square is important because it guarantees a perfect circle without distortion. Next, place a solid white circle exactly in the center of the canvas. Keep the background either transparent or pure black. White will represent the part of your camera that stays visible, and the background will be the part that gets hidden. When you're happy with the alignment and sizing, export the image as a PNG so it preserves transparency if you used it. Save it somewhere easy to find. We'll need it in a moment. Now open OBS Studio. In your scene, look at the Sources panel and click the plus icon. Choose Video Capture Device and select your camera. Confirm the resolution and frame rate you prefer so you get a clean image from your webcam. Right-click your camera source and choose Filters. In the Filters window under Effect Filters, click the plus icon and select Image Mask Blend. This is where the circle magic happens. In the Type drop-down, choose Alpha Mask, Alpha Channel, if your PNG has a transparent background. If instead you exported with a solid black background behind the white circle, choose Alpha Mask, Color Channel. The core idea is the same. The white circle reveals your video and the rest gets masked out. Click Browse and locate the circle PNG you saved earlier. As soon as you load it, your rectangular camera should become a clean circle. If it doesn't look right, double check that the circle is centered in your PNG and that the colors are correct. White for visible areas, black or transparent for hidden areas. To fine-tune the framing, select your camera source in the main canvas. Hold Alt Option on Mac OS while dragging the edges to crop and use the corner handles to resize. Adjust until your face or subject sits nicely within the circular frame. Small nudges can make a big difference, so take a moment to center everything precisely. That's it. You've created a professional-looking circular webcam in OBS using a simple mask. With your mask saved, you can reuse it in any scene, keeping your stream or recording clean, modern, and consistent.